Hey my YouTube techies, it's Cool Quick Tips here, and on today's video we're going to be going over Tesla doors. Alright, we're going to be going over how to unlock and lock the vehicles, how to manipulate the doors from the outside and the inside, and also how to go over some certain settings. You'll notice these doors are pretty slick and they're not like your average ICE vehicle doors. Okay, so let's get into it. So to lock and unlock the Tesla vehicles, you have multiple options. One is a key card, which is about the standard size of a regular credit card. Okay. Then you also have an app on your phone. Okay. Obviously, you can use it with any Android or Apple device. Okay. It's simple. It's as simple as going into your application on your phone and tapping the lock and unlock, assuming you've already paired your phone to your vehicle. So as you approach the vehicle, you simply place the key card right on the driver's side pillar, right under the camera. And as you can see, the vehicle simply locks and unlocks. Now when it comes to manipulating the door handles, I have two methods. I call this first method the overhand method. Standing right in front of the door, it's a little uncomfortable, okay? It doesn't give your wrist a natural position. Standing slightly behind the door with the overhand method gives your wrist just a much more natural position. Now I call this method the underhand method, and this method is the most comfortable position on your wrist, right, no matter where you stand in reference to the door. So now let's take a look on the inside of the vehicles. You'll notice that I've attached these labels onto the doors. My vehicle model, when I first purchased it, did not come with these labels. You can buy these labels on Amazon, anywhere online. They're pretty easy to come by and pretty cheap. Now when it comes to manipulating the doors from the inside and opening the doors, it's as simple as pressing the button. Now if there's enough weight on your side of the door, you'll notice the door just opens on itself. If not, you just might have to give it a shove with your elbow. So let's go over locking and unlocking the vehicle from the inside. So on the touchscreen, you'll see right above your vehicle, if your vehicle is on park, okay, a little icon right on top of the vehicle. It's as simple as just tapping that icon to lock and unlock the vehicle. Now another way to unlock your vehicle while placing your vehicle on park is to also hit the park button again, and you'll notice the vehicle unlocks. Now you have to do that in settings, and we'll go over that right now. So now in order to change those settings on your touchscreen, you'll have to hit controls, which is the little car icon on the left, hit locks, touch locks, and then select unlock on park. Okay. You can also hit controls again, select locks. Okay, you can also find window lock and child lock, so for the as a safety feature for the children in the back. You can hit walk away door lock. When your vehicle's connected via Bluetooth to your phone, your vehicle locks as you walk away, and also driver door unlock mode, where the driver door unlocks. You can also select notifications for when your vehicle is left open or windows and doors open. You get a notification on your phone. You can also choose to get lock confirmation sounds from your vehicle, okay, and also for the windows to close when you lock the vehicle. And for a convenient shortcut feature, as soon as you hit controls, okay, you'll immediately be able to access the child lock and window lock features. Okay, so that way you don't have to select controls then locks. On a quick note, just want to let you know these doors are so easy to manipulate, even a 3-year-old can do it. Well, that pretty much does it for this video on how to use Tesla doors. I hope everyone found this video very helpful and very convenient. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool quick tips.